Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Blur NFT Marketplace, trade NFTs faster step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Blur NFT Marketplace website. Locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to initiate the process. You will be presented with different login options. Choose the option that suits you best, such as connecting a crypto wallet or using an email. If you select a crypto wallet, click on the preferred wallet option displayed. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet securely. Ensure you approve any required permissions in your wallet interface. Alternatively, if logging in with email, enter your email address and password. Check your email for a verification code if prompted, and enter it on the website. Once you are logged in, you will have access to your account dashboard. Here you can view your NFT collections and explore available listings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Make sure your wallet is correctly connected to facilitate faster trading. Now you can start trading NFTs on the Blur Marketplace. Explore the various features available to enhance your trading experience. Stay updated on any new listings or features as you navigate the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step